Now let's just see the next question. Question number 2, which says that in figure LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD. So we have to prove that, we have to prove this thing that AM by AB is actually nothing but is equal to AN by AD. So let us suppose, if I'm just writing it over here, this is nothing but to prove. We just have to prove this thing that AM by AB is actually is equal to AN by AD. Now let's just start from the two given conditions that we have over here. So let us suppose if I'm starting the solution of this one as since in triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB, which is already given to us. So using the basic proportionality theorem, what can we say about this? That if this is nothing but a parallel line to the third side of the triangle, then it implies that this particular parallel line is actually dividing them in the same ratio. Means AL by LC is nothing but is equal to AM by MB. So let us suppose I'm calling this as 1. So again, since we can say, since in triangle ADC, now I'm just talking about the lower triangle, that is ADC. Since in triangle ADC, we know that LN is parallel to CD, as it is given to us, that this is nothing but parallel to this one. This is parallel to this one, and again this is parallel to this one. It is already given to us. So if it is given to us, it implies that again by using the basic proportionality theorem. So again, using the basic proportionality theorem, it implies that AL by LC is actually is equal to AN by ND. And let us suppose if I am calling it as equation number 2. Now this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. Then what can we say about these two equations? So we can say from the two equations, from the equation number 1 and 2, we can say that AN by ND is actually is equal to AM by MB. So from the two equations, we can say that AN by ND is actually is equal to AM by MB. But what we just wanted to prove, that AM by AB means the whole side. We just wanted the whole side. So let us suppose if I'll take this as equation number 3 and I'm taking the reciprocal of equation number 3, then it would be nothing but ND by AN, which is equal to MB by AM. And now I am adding one. So basically I am adding a number 1 on both sides of equation. I'm adding number 1. This is my number 1, not the equation. This is number 1. I'm adding a number 1 on both sides of this equation. So this would be ND by AN, ND by AN plus 1, which is equal to MB by AM plus 1. Now the value would be like ND plus AN by AN, which is equal to, this would be MB plus AM by AM. So as you can see, ND plus AN is actually a total of AD by AN, and this is nothing but a total of AB by AM. AB by AM. Now again, let us suppose I'm calling this as equation number 4. I'm again taking the reciprocal of it. So the reciprocal of this equation, number 4 actually results into, AN by AD, which is equal to AM by AB. And this is exactly what we wanted to prove, that AN by AD is equal to AM by AB. Hence this is nothing but the thing which we just wanted to prove. So this is nothing but the answer which is related with this particular figure. So I hope all the steps related to this particular question is all clear to you.